Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a small temporary setup for a carnivorous plant, preferably something small like a small Drosera, sundew, or a Venus flytrap that's not that tall. Or for any small pitcher plant that's not tropical. So right here I have a heavy duty timer, and I have set it to turn on at around 10, and I have set it to turn off at around 5 in the afternoon. And that is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours, 6 to 8 hours. So I just did 7 hours of sunlight, and automatically turns on and off. The green one is to turn on, the red one is to turn off. And over here I have a small little lamp. It just has some compartments here. This is on, off, this is on. Very simple. And up here I just switched the light bulb. I'll show you the package for it later on in the video. But it's full spectrum, both red and blue lights, and I just covered it in. I cupped the tinfoil in, wrapped it around, and put it and taped another layer over here to kind of reflect the light back onto the plant so it gets the most light it possibly can. Drosera spatulata, I rescued. There's actually 5 of them. One here, one here, one here, one here, and a tiny one there. This one keeps flowering all the time. I mean, it's not a bad thing. It just flowered like 4 times this year. And yeah, I have it labeled as a rescued sundew because that's what it was before I found out what it was. So I'm just gonna keep it that way. And I have it sitting in this plastic bowl, recyclable plastic bowl. And in the plastic bowl I have water, about an inch of water. And this isn't outside, as you can tell. There's wall and floor. This is in a sunroom, so it's pretty bright in here, but it doesn't get direct sunlight, so I'm putting it on a lamp. And this is a temporary setup. I'm going to get a greenhouse soon. I don't know how soon, but I will get one soon. So for now that it's cold, I don't want it to die over the winter because here in Georgia it gets pretty cold. So yeah, this is my temporary setup for now. It's been doing great, actually. I see the plants love it, and they look much better. And also, the big one, it's been producing more traps. There's a small one, and then there's like 2 or 3 more. One clearly visible, but there are a couple other traps that have come out. See, there's one in the middle of the screen. There's one that recently came out. Over here, there's like 2 in there. Ooh. But anyways, you get the idea. It's very good setup. I'm probably going to be using this emergency temporary setup if I ever have to. And I think it's overall really good. Really good. And makes the plant grow very well. So it's not going to just keep it alive. It's going to help it because it's full spectrum. And it's, I'm not sure how much the light bulb was, but I'll show you the case right now. This is the light bulb package it came in. Fight Electric LED Plant Grow Light, full spectrum, as you can see, for enhanced plant growth. And on the left, it shows in English, not in Spanish. It shows in English what it has. So I'm just going to read it out to you. Blue spectrum enriched for vegetative growth. It emits spectrum wavelengths and color for photosynthetic response, rated for high humidity use. which is also good. You can use it in a greenhouse if you have a different lamp. Emits light between desired 448 nm, I don't know what that is, and blue 630. Red spectrums. No heat emission and low energy consumption, which is really good. That's technically what LED does. And then cooler lamp operation retains moisture in plants while preventing lamp burn, which is also very good. That's how many hours, 9 watts. And on the back, it says all the details. Yeah, it has both blue, red lights, so the red light promotes flowering and the blue light promotes growth. And so this has full spectrum, which means it has both. And as you saw earlier in the video, the plant has both flower, or is flowering, and it has a lot of growth, which is both very good. You can use these in a greenhouse if you want to buy a couple of them. I don't know how much they cost though. So there you go, that's the video. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe and like the video, comment down any questions you might have, and yeah, peace out.